discussion about the SAP, right? After that, I will start about the what are the topics we are going to discuss and what are the other benefits you will get as part of this training, right? So these things we will discuss in the today's demo session here. The first of all, many of members knows about the SAP, right? So what is SAP? SAP is a application software, right? It's a, so many of the members knows it's like a application. It's a application software here, right? So if I talk about the abbreviation wise, it's a systems and application, system application and products in business data processing applications and the product in the business data processing here, right? So that is the abbreviation of the SAP here, right? So in data processing here, in your business, if we want to process the business data from one to another, then we need a application software here, right? So we need a application software. So that's why, so 1972, so five ex-service IBM people, so they have founded this SAP application software in Germany here, right? So SAP is one of the largest software companies in the world, right? This is one of the SAP largest software headquartered in Waldorf, Germany, right? And also it's a more than 180 countries, right? And also 4 lakhs around overall. So 4 lakhs 60,000, 4 lakhs, like 4,60,000 customers they are using, means 50,000 business customers, means businesses they are using the SAP here. So their main focus is help the companies to run their business values, business process in one integrated system, here. That's the way. So companies will use the SAP here, right? It's a system application in product in business data processing here. It's one of the largest, in one of the world largest and most popular business software companies, and it helping to the organizations and manage their business operations, daily business operations. The SAP is helping here. Sir, how the SAP is helping to the daily business operations here, right? Imagine a large company. Suppose like if you take the large company, there is a large company. If you take the one big company here, so they have the many departments, right? The finance department, if you take the finance, right? So the finance department, and also if you take the HR department, and also the sales department, and also the manufacturing department, and also the logistic department, and also the procurement department here. So if you take the one large company, they have the different departments, right? All these department need to work together, and also all these departments, they are the people, they have to work together and share the information here, right? So instead of using the different softwares for the each department, suppose the finance department has different software, the people are still joining. Yeah. So suppose the finance department separate software, HR is the separate software, sales is the separate software, manufacturing separate. So instead of using the different software for the each department, SAP provides one integrated system. SAP provides one integrated system here. One integrated system, which means SAP will provide the one SAP system will provide the all the functionalities, one integrated system here. So that's why people will use the SAP for their business here, right? One integrated, instead of using the multiple systems, multiple ways, they will use the this one here, right? Suppose in the real life, suppose like if I tell the one real life example here, there is a, if you order a product online, suppose like you are ordered, suppose like you ordered a product online, then the sales team will process your order, the warehouse team prepare the item, the logistic team ship it, and finance team handling the billings and everything. But with SAP, right? So sales team is separate software, and warehouse team is separate software, and logistic is separate software, and finance team is the separate software, right? All are separate. But with SAP, all these steps can happen in one system, so information flows smoothly and the companies works efficiently here, right? Sir, who are using the SAP? Sir, who uses the SAP? Right? So then who using the SAP means many areas, many industrial areas, they are using the SAP here, right? Suppose example, the banks, the banking sectors, and also the hospitals, right? The hospitals and also banking sectors, hospitals. Let me admit, right? And also the automobile companies, automobiles, and also the retail. So then, and manufacturing area, government, then airports, right? So governments, and also then airports, then many areas they are using the companies here. Example, Coca-Cola, BMW, Unilever, they uses the SAP to run their business. Suppose example, if you take the Unilever, right? So Unilever, if you take the Unilever has very big customer for SAP, right? In that Unilever, so they have the many branches, many systems are there, many warehousing products, right? Manufacturing, it's a product based client. Unilever, they are not only just simple biscuits, shampoos, and they are producing the many products in the market, right? Wherever you go, any shopping mall or anything, you see the Unilever chocolates, biscuits, shampoos, creams, many things, ice creams, many things, many products, you see the Unilever. Then how they are managing each and every product, right? So because of the SAP one integrated system, so then they integrated with the different functionalities, different things, and so they are achieving the business, and they are delivering the business into the market here, right? So SAP that connects means SAP software that connects to the all the department in a company, that helps them together, work together here, right? Work together, that will helping here, right? So why do companies use SAP here, right? So why they want to use it? So who uses that, we know, right? Then why they do use it? Why they are using the company here? Suppose before SAP, companies used the separate systems for each department, right? Separate systems, they use it here, separate department here. Suppose HR used the different software, finance, sales, data, and decision making was slow and inaccurate. Data never matched. Sales had their own tools, right? Finance used the spreadsheets, right? HR used the different software. So each and every department, they have own softwares, Excel sheets, and there's a decision making is was slow, right? But SAP solved this problem. When the SAP introduced it to the market, when the customer introduced it for their business, SAP solved this problem. SAP solved this problem. So for one system, right? One SAP system, one system, and also the real-time data, and also we have the accurate reports are accurate. Why? Because there is no human intervention for preparing the reports, right? The reports are accurate and fast business process here. The business process also very fast decision making and everything, it's a fast business process here. And also the better decision making here, better so decision making for SAP here, right? So what products the SAP offer, sir? You said like, so they are the SAP, many departments, many areas SAP they are using. But first of all, can you name it the some of the SAP products here, right? So SAP ERP is the one of the product here, the software for the manufacturing business process like finance, sales, departure, and other areas. The ERP software will help you. Then SAP S4 HANA. S4 HANA is also one of the product, SAP product only, the largest, the fastest version of the ERP here, with real-time processing and everything, means advanced version of the ERP system, ECC system here. And also SAP Fiori. Fiori is like the modern easy to use the web and mobile interface for SAP. So it's not like that you have to do the business from so just only laptops and everything. It's not like that. You can also run your show from mobile interfaces and web and everything. You can run it using the Fiori apps based concept here. And also nowadays SAP, they have released the platform based concept here, that the app development, integration, analytics purpose they are using the BTP. And also we have the Ariba. So Ariba, Ariba solution, procurement, supplier, and everything Ariba. And also people are using the success factors is also one of the SAP product. It's a cloud-based HR, employment central here, employee central and everything here. And also SAP Concur, that is the travel and the expense management software here. So like that, they have the many products in the market. So each and every product will be useful for the business here. Each and every product they will use for the business here. So here, as I mentioned here, ECC is the first product from SAP. Then after that, so S4 HANA they have released into the market. That is the advanced version, and also it's dedicated to run only on the HANA database here, the super fast and in-memory database here. It provides real-time data access, and also it simplifies the business process, and it offers the mobile interfaces and digital transformation here. Digital transformation here. So the people are using the business are using the manufacturing area, the manufacturing, retailer, healthcare, banking sector, government, energy, transportation, telecom department, air force department, airports, many places, many industries that use SAP, many industries that use the SAP products and everything here. So SAP, suppose if I talk about the SAP, the global fact, if I SAP about it is 92% of the global wise. So they are using 95% shares SAP, right? So normally the SAP customers produce the 77% of world transaction that touches the SAP. The people are who are using the real time the transactions, different transactions people are doing. Each and every transaction that hit the SAP means 70% of worldwide retail transaction that runs through SAP system only here. 70% of worldwide the retail transactions that touch the SAP systems and everything here. Sir, if I use the SAP, sir, what are the benefits? Right? Data accuracy, consistency, so business process automation, the real-time reports and analytics, better compliance and security also here, the scalability, it supports the multiple languages and currencies as well here. So SAP is like a central nervous system for largest organizations, a central nervous system of the large organizations, connecting to the all the department, simplifying their business and providing the real-time information to the company here. Real-time information to the company here. So that's what the people will use the SAP here. Right? So now you understand SAP wherever you go. So many of the 70% customers, 70% business they will touch the SAP here. Right? So here what are the teams will be involved here? Sir, are we only one team to work on the SAP system? No, we are the first team, we are the main administration team, that our roles are the SAP basis consultant. We work on the plannings and also implementation, so building the systems here, then post activities, support activities, and so all for business support related, all the work technical activities we do here. The role of the SAP basis team here, the role of the SAP basis team, we work on the all the things and everything in the system here, right? Including so monitoring, health checks, backups, transports, user management, system supports, so checking the health checks, fixing the issues, performance issues, right? Troubleshooting, and so all those things we can check it out here, right? So that is the main important thing of the basis role is here. The basis role is fully technical role here, right? Sir, what is basis here? business application software integrated solution here. It's a we are the technical foundation. Basis is the technical foundation for entire all SAP systems here. The basis administration will do the installations, configuration, administrations, transports, backcovery, integrating with the external systems here, monitoring, troubleshooting here. Right? Sir, why the people should use the SAP here? Right? So in a large company, like suppose like banks, hospitals, retailers, manufacturing, so they have the multiple department here. So all this department will use the this one here, right? So one more example I will tell you where the SAP is used here. Suppose when you withdraw cash from SAP ATM, then banks may use the SAP to track the transaction, right? When you purchase the groceries, the retailer company may use the SAP to manage the stocks and billing, right? When your car is manufactured, then SAP may control the parts, productions, scheduling, and the quickly checks and everything here. Hospitals, to manage the SAP will manage the patient reports, doctoring, billing, inpatient, outpatient, everything will be so they will everything SAP will use it here, monitor everything here. It will process the automation kind of functionalities as well here. SAP 52 or 53 years back, SAP founded. Now they have many innovations, many enhancements, many features, many bug fixes. The many things are happened in the SAP industry. The detailed discussions also we can discuss in our regular classes here, right? So that's the key point. Like so, many where SAP they are using it here, right? Suppose example, one more example. So the team structure wise, right? As I'm discussing about the team structure here, we are SAP basis team here, right? We have the security who will handle the security related items and everything here, right? And also we have the ABAP team. So ABAP related activities and everything here means coding and everything. And also we have the functional, right? Functional means we have the FI, finance, control, HR, SD, MM, right? There are the EWM warehouse management, and there are the many functional modules are available. All will handle the functional related activities, right? And also the business users who will use the business, right? In one SAP system, if you build it, the basis team will build it, then remaining all the people will work for supporting the all the business process and everything by 24 by 7. The business will run for supporting the each and every business here. The basis team means we have to support it here. Just I'm telling about the our importance here. Why? Because the basis team is not a just simple sir just going and writing the code and going back. It's not our duty here. So it's a above team, they will write the code, security, finance team is there, but basis is the technical foundation. Basis person will play the very critical role in the organization. Why? Because without, if you don't, basis team, if you don't have the basis team, then who will build the systems? Who will do the support? Who will do the configuration? Who will do the restarts? Who will manage the support packs? Who all kind of technical activities? Who will do it here? Right? So basis person will perform the all kind of technical activities here. All kind of technical activities, the basis team will perform it here. Right? Suppose example, if you take like SAP is like a suppose take example, always when I'm doing the installation, when you are building the when you are installing the system means building a new brand new house, right? SAP installation means it's a SAP is like a building, one building, right? In the building, so there are the many floors, right? So in the way, suppose like if you take the apartment, in the some floors are there, right? Each floor indicate the departments, right? Finance department, each floor, one first floor is the finance, second floor is the so HR, sales. There are the multiple departments are the floors here. SAP is like a building here. The basis team is the builds the building. Who will construct the building? Who will maintain the electricity, water, security, and etc. That everything will be managing by the basis team. Then after the basis team build the one apartment, building one house, brand new house, then the remaining people will start staying in that room and everything here, right? In simple words, the basis administrators will install, will maintain the SAP system, manage the user related activities, keep the running the system safe and fast, and also moving the new changes, testing the live changes, troubleshooting something like if something breaks, troubleshooting. So without basis team, SAP system cannot run smoothly. Like a building with no maintenance team here. How it will be? So there is a building constructed by the person, then they are gone, then there is no maintenance. If there is no maintenance to the apartment, what will happen? There are several issues, right? Similarly here also here, right? So here SAP, a single software system connecting to the all the department, and basis team will is the technical team that keeps the system working properly, and everything the basis team will perform it here, right? So that is what the basis team, it's a global leader, entire business software and everything. Nowadays if you see, many companies and many ways they are using the SAP here, many they are using the SAP many way they are using here. So it's helping to the business run smoothly, and it brings the simplicity and speed of the business and everything here. Sir, everything is okay, we know that everything is, so somewhere we will get the documentation, then we can refer it. Then what you are going to, maybe someone ask the question, sir, what you are going to cover it here? So here if you see the my course content here, our course content which we are going to discuss about we will discuss about the landscape structure here, and also we are going to build the system landscape and the installation of the systems, implementation strategy, the user administration part, and also some other client administration, and some other performance, transport, spool. There are the multiple topics, and high level the nodes implementation, patching upgrades, patching, applying the package, support pack upgrade, daily monitoring, SPS upgrade using the sum tool, and also system copy, DB refresh, and also we are going to discuss about the HANA DB administration part also here, right? HANA DB administration part also we have included. Along this one, I am going to explain the BTP related. Why? Because BTP is the advanced version, which means the basis people should require the some BTP knowledge here. So I am going to take the few, I think 1 or 2 sessions on the BTP side also here, like what is BTP, then where it is used, what is the concept, then how it is useful for the basis team, what are our roles and responsibility. So what activities you know that is also I will cover it here, right? So this and all the our course topic, mainly the basis on the S4HANA system and HANA administration. So this we are going to cover it here. And so this is the with including theory plus practical. We have the practical systems to so perform the all the activities in our systems here. Okay. So this is what the course content which we are going to discuss. So our class will run daily 1 hour. Class will run on the daily 1 hour here. So in case of daily 1 hour class will run. So assuming this will complete within the 50 days, 50 to 50 days, we can complete it basis and HANA administration part, daily 1 hour. And as part of the course, you will get the documentation and videos, and also the server access, same as like real time, how we will log into the servers and everything, server access to practice the systems and everything, you will get it out here, right? So and also our classes will run from Monday to Saturday. Sunday is the holiday. Okay, Sunday holiday for everybody. So Saturday up to Friday, Monday to Saturday. But the Saturday session is dedicatedly discussed about the in that week whatever we discussed to recapping that week activities, and also in the Saturday we will discuss about the interview point of time, group discussions, and technical point of discussions. So if I give one topic and you have to explain it here, so that kind of assessments, group discussions, that kind of things will happen on the every Saturday here, recapping activities. So this is the our schedule here. So that is about the quick catch up call for today's session. Okay, and also the time